Hi students, in last three videos we talked about present simple, present continuous and present perfect tense. But today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense. Here you can check this picture. In first sentence we have been waiting here for 20 minutes. This kind of structure, this kind of verb form is strange for you. We haven't talked about it in last three videos, but today we are going to talk about these kind of structures and these kind of helping verbs. And as you can see, check, we are going to be late for the film is different than the first one, and definitely their meaning is also different. So we will try to understand what is the difference. First of all, where to use the present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show that something started in the past and has continued up until now for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Tuesday, or are all durations which can be used with the present perfect continuous. For example, they have been talking for the last hour. Here you have duration of time for the last 2 hours. It means this process was begin in the past but still is continued. To make positive sentence in present perfect continuous, we use subject plus helping verb has or have plus been plus first form verb plus in plus object plus since or for. And since or for, where to use, it's also new for you. Just focus. Has we just talked in last videos, but we again talk about it. Has we use with third person singular he or she and with any singular subject. Have we use with first person and second person singular I and you and with any plural subject. Since we use for specific point in time, for example since 2002. For we use with period of time for 2 hours, for 4 hours, for many days when you don't have a specific point in time in past. For example, he has been painting the wall for 2 days. Here you have a duration of time for 2 days, so that's why for. And he is singular, so that's why has plus been plus painting first form verb ing plus object. They have been working here since 2012. Here we used since because we have a specific point in time in past since 2012. There is plural and third person plural pronoun, so that's why have plus been plus first form verb plus in. This is a kind of structure and it has different meaning. And its meaning is that something had started in the past but still it is continued. They have been working here since 2012 means they are working still now. They haven't end their work. To make negative sentence, you need subject plus has or have as a helping verb plus not plus been plus first form verb plus in plus object plus and so forth. Here just keep noting in your mind where to use not. Not we use after helping verb and been. After helping verb and before been. For example, I haven't been working here since 2012. Okay, there is a specific point in time that since 12 I don't work here. I haven't been working here since 2012. Now talk about interrogative sentence. As we know, we have two kinds of interrogatives, positive interrogative and negative interrogative. To make positive interrogative, you use has or have first, then subject, then plus been. Now we talk about interrogative sentence. As you know, we have two kinds of interrogatives, positive interrogative and negative interrogative. First of all, positive interrogative. We use has or have first. plus subject plus been plus first form verb plus ing plus object plus and so for and interrogative mark. For example, have you been doing job for many years? Here have plus subject you plus been plus first form verb ing plus object and for. To make interrogative sentence, we use has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus first form verb ing plus object plus instead verb for and interrogative mark. Has she not been doing good for many